So, hey, look at this. This is a perfect example of sniffing out something, right? I happen to be looking at something else online and I came across ear cuff and I'm like, what the heck is an ear cuff, right? So look at this search volume 49,000 times, right? So people are looking up ear cuffs and then the competition's not too bad. So I go, okay, what the heck is an ear cuff? So I go over to Etsy and get this. So ear cuffs, right? I didn't know it was just like wraparound ear things. But look at this stuff. 18,000 sales, right? So if you want to do the math on that, 18,000 sales at $15.60. So just something like this, ear cuff. 15.60 times, what does it say here? 18,688. So right there, that's $291,000 worth of these things. So let's go ahead and look at something else. So when you start thinking about, wait a minute, ear cuffs, look at this, 29,000 sold, 32,290 sold, and they're giving it all 5 stars. So my point is that this becomes a great opportunity for you to look up stuff and go, wait a minute, this stuff is selling like hotcakes. Here's one, look at this, 32,290. So let's do some math. 32,290 times 10.72. That's 300. Oh, that's oh my gosh, that's too much money, right? So look at this. 10.72 times 32,290 equals $346,000. Come on now, that's telling you a story, right? So the first things first, we looked at, and we saw a category. So we said, well, what's going on here, right? What's going on? It showed that it was a really, really big deal here. It's getting a little bit less, but you got all of these things. So now what you could be doing is creating content based on these keywords, and of course you're going to be drop shipping these darn things, right? So that's one of the other possibilities that you could do with this. Look at this. Let's go down here. Ear cuffs for Amazon, ear cuffs for unpierced ears, ear cuffs for men, ear cuffs gold, all kinds of stuff. Now that's just using this tool right here. I'm going to validate this by using some other tools. So here's the next tool I'm going to go to. I'm going to go over to Google Trends, right? Because, well, even though I put it in my key search tool, you might not believe it all the time. So here's one that I'm going to go to and find out what's been going on with ear cuffs. So I go ahead and put it into the search term and look what pops up. Hey, this looks like it's been pretty steady. Now, this was like April 4th of 2021. Here we're in March. Look at this. Wow. It is staying steady. And look, this even gives you more detail, right? It's a whole bunch of people in Utah seems to be buying this thing. What is going on? So then I go down and I find out, what is it about ear cuffs that's rising? What's going on with this, right? So it's saying, hey, ear cuff, Aeon Jury. I'm going to go and check that out. It says it's in breakout status. Breakout status means that it is rising more than 5,000%. The main thing is that look at this. We're asking ourselves a question. Are we in the right spot? Do we have the right thing that we can now go off, grab up, and sell? What kind of stuff can we do here? What other things could we find out? Maybe we can, again, write some copy around this, write some blogs around this, have an article written around this, write the article around this stuff. Look at this, DIY ear cuffs, 120% rising. The point is that people are trying to find out about ear cuffs. Now we're going to go source these things and we're going to either get them drop shipped, or we're going to find somebody right in our area that can, if we sell it for them, they will ship it. So we still don't have to touch it. That becomes the key opportunity, everybody. So let's go to another one, right? Here's another site that I like to use. So I put in ear cuffs into the site called Solve, SOOVLE.com. But look what happens. You've got ear cuffs, right? Ear cuffs for women. It starts telling you, okay, over at Amazon, this is what they're talking about. Over here at Google, this is what they're talking about. Over at YouTube, this is what they're talking about. Bing, this is what they're talking about. And at any given moment, we can go ahead and click in here and go right to where they're talking about it, right? So let's go in here and grab some of this stuff. Go over to Google real quick, find out what the heck is going on. All right, so let's go ahead and oh, that was Thailand. All right, I don't want Thailand. All right, oh, wow, that's pretty good though. Let's try it again. All right, so we got ear, cuff. All right, let's try to do something different. Let's go ahead and give it a space. Hey, same thing, right? So it's telling me that if I go into one of these areas, then I may see exactly what is going on. So think about this. If you're going to start creating some content, let's just go and find out what the heck people are talking about over here. If we're doing content on ear cuffs, you got a nice little website or something, right? Now you can find out exactly what kind of thumbnails they're using. What kind of information about these? How many people are viewing these things? Look at this. A complete guide to wearing jewelry for men. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe we can go into that area, right? But look at that. 769,000 views. So if you're in this business, this is what you're doing. If you've got a YouTube channel, you go ahead and rock it out. If you're running ads from your YouTube channel, you look and see the kind of stuff they're talking about. What is the headings here? That's the key, everybody. I want to see, first of all, is this ear cuff thing selling? So maybe I can go grab some and make some money off of this. And then we can find out who is in this business. So wait a minute. You mean I can go find someone that's in this business? Maybe they're an influencer. I ask them to put my stuff in front of their audience. I'm going to drop ship it. I put a link in there. The link as an affiliate, you're going to be going ahead and making some money on this. Do you see what I'm talking about here? This is the possibility when you grab an area and you ask yourself questions of it. Can I make money from this thing that is rising, that is hot? How long has it been hot? How long has it been selling? All of these kind of things. Who my competition is? What do I need to do to beat my competition? Get into that space. Create yourself a nice little landing page. I'm going to show you all this stuff. If you want me to, I'll show you all of this stuff. Just let me know. I'll leave a link in the description field to have you say, show me how to do this stuff, and I will show you. I will put something together. I got courses already, but if you want something specific, I will put it together for you. So that's all, everybody. I just wanted to show you that this thing is killing the game right now. Ear cuffs are all the rage. Now, let's go a little bit further. If you did want to go over to Otterbridge, right, and do some things over here in Otterbridge, you can find out where exactly you're going to source this thing. Now, this was a video that I was watching and finding out whether or not they have some good information for me. So let's just go over to what Otterbridge is all about, right? So we go over here and find out what the heck is going on with Otterbridge, and we go, wait a minute. Hey, I can join it for free. I can find out all this good stuff. I can get information on how to do drop shipping. I can go into the topics area and just, oh my gosh, find the way to do this stuff in a big way. This is the big ideal, everybody. The thing is, you're finding things that you can go out and put out there and make money from. That's the whole idea. I want you out there making money. I want you out there monetizing your life. I want you out there just doing it a whole different way than deciding to get it yourself, and you're thinking you got a great idea and nobody is buying. You create all these courses. That stuff is played out, man. We're not doing that kind of stuff anymore. We're finding out who is already searching for this stuff. How much are they searching for this stuff? And then how can we go and find a way to make money from it? That's the key, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in the course. Sign up. I got a link in the description field. Sign up. Find out how to do this stuff so you can go out there and start monetizing your life and making money. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video, everybody. Let's talk soon.